All right, dudes, we got this Holley high-rise top. Got it scuffed up with some 220, and I just washed it with some Dawn dish soap. We got the oven set at 350 degrees. Just freaking barely. I want to get a little bit of that orange peel out. I was going to say usually there's a handful of dust specks on stuff like this. Well, there you can kind of see a little bit of orange peel on top. I just want this thing to look ridiculous. Wet sanding and polishing is pretty straightforward. However, I have found a few very simple things that make it remarkably easier. So I'm going to walk you through that. 1000 grit to knock down the orange peel, and 2000 grit to smooth out the 1000 grit scratches. Temperature of the water doesn't matter. As it's getting cooler here, I like to use warmer water, kind of like hot chocolate for my fingertips. Okay, now for the part that I think is the most important. This stuff here has changed my life. This is good stuff. So that is the cutting compound. This is the polish. Between this and a wool pad Half the time, I don't even have to use that. Like, there's no reason to. It looks so good. On this, we go into, because I want to give you the whole shebang. Wool pad also changed my life. If you try using this with like a foam pad, it's going to take hours and hours and hours where you'll have to sand with like 5,000 grit. This plus that will get all the 2,000 scratch marks out. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, so this is just the wool pad and the compound. And as you can see, it's pretty glassy. It looks pretty solid. So we're going to now throw this stuff on there. Let her eat. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. That is some reflection. Just a little bit of residue on the front.